A heartbreaking situation here at Participation House in Markham. This group home, along with many others across the province, is dealing with a widespread COVID-19 outbreak affecting both staff and residents. This home, which cares for residents with physical and mental disabilities, is now running on a skeleton crew. But staff want to make it clear they did not all just walk off the job after learning of the outbreak.
If we can only work again and help out, we will. It's just most of us are sick and we got sick from work.
Ivy Albania is one of 12 employees who tested positive for COVID-19. She's currently in self-isolation, recovering from the illness. As of Tuesday, 37 of the 42 residents tested positive for the virus. 2 of them have died, 58-year-old Martin Frogley and 53-year-old Patricia Baird.
We are confined in a room. Our residents are dying, and there's nothing that we can do. Those families of those residents, they know, if not all of them, most of them, they know how well those residents are cared and loved for.
Albania says staffing levels were already dwindling before the outbreak was confirmed. Many had already called in sick, and when they were finally told of the news, most chose to go to an assessment center to be tested and were then instructed to self-isolate.
That is just very unfair and wrong that we were presented in the public as if we are, heartless monsters that left our vulnerable residents.
In the weeks leading up to the outbreak, she says employees were asking for personal protective equipment, including masks. But she says that request, along with other protective measures like a temporary lockdown, were not granted. They were told that the province didn't yet deem them necessary. Now, however, the province is finally listening.
We want to make sure that everyone in Participation House and developmental services, they have the proper PPE items that they require as well.
We just wish that we were heard when we were asking for protection.
Participation House has been receiving community donations and is working with Markham Stouffville Hospital, as well as York Region Public Health and York Region Paramedic Services to address the home's current state of emergency. We reached out to them for comment, but were told they would not be providing an update today. Ivy will complete her isolation period on April 22nd and will then have to do additional testing to ensure she is clear of the virus. She says she does intend to return to work. In Markham, Natividad, City News.